Hello, early explorers, and welcome to another week of amazing Earth activities. This week we are focusing on the importance of water to living things and the diversity of life on Earth. Our first activity is exploring tiny animals that live in water. Scoop water from a pond or stream, look for insects, and compare and sort them. Don't forget to put the insects back when you're done. Our next activity is creating a collage of alien creatures and planets. Imagine what kinds of life forms could exist on other planets. What would they look like? How would they adapt to their environment? How would they be different than life on Earth? Our last activity is exploring the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Pick a random spot on a globe or map. Look up interesting facts about that place. What plants and animals live there? What languages do the people there speak? What kind of foods do they eat? The many different life forms and cultures on Earth make our world an amazing place to live. Early explorers will be taking a break until the fall. Over the summer, all the activities will stay on the website. Feel free to take a look and try activities that you may have missed. Have fun exploring, and we will see you soon.